Hi everybody, it's Karen and I'm here with my yarn opening. Why can I never remember? Maybe by the end of the year I'll remember what this is called. Anyway, my self-imposed or homemade sock club for 2026. So let's pick a skein of yarn that I'm going to open today. It's the 2nd of March when I'm opening this, but it is what it is. So I'm closing my eyes. Whoops. I banged the camera, so I unclosed my eyes. This one. So what did we get? So I won't be casting this on quite right away because I still haven't finished my February socks, but let's see what we got. Oh, a girl in her wool. So it's a 50 gram skein of yarn. The name of it is Love Bite. 75-25 mix, 4-ply fingering weight. So this I bought from, it was a dyer. I don't know if she's still doing YouTube stuff, but she was dyeing yarn and selling it, and then she was closing up shop, so she had a clearance sale with a bunch of her yarns, and I ordered some, and this was one of the skeins that was in that batch. So oh, I'm excited to get into this one. This looks gorgeous. So I will do the white toes, heels, and a little pop of color at the cuff for these, and hopefully I will get these cast on. Oops, sorry for the crinkles. Hopefully I'll get this cast on soon. But there we go. A girl in her wool, Love Bite. Too bad I didn't pull this one in February, but that's okay. That's fine. Alrighty, so that will be my March yarn. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.